What's up, everybody? Today we're working on a 2008 GMC Canyon SLE. The customer brought it in complaining that there was no blower motor actuation, so we went ahead and went in there and found that this harness was all blown up. There's a part number for anybody who needs it. So here's the old harness. As you can see, just a little bit of damage. You cannot get that unplugged. As you can see, it started pulling the blue wire out. It's all burnt to shit. So that's the old resistor. Got a new resistor down here for it. Sorry about the focus. There's the new resistor and the new pigtail. Alright, when you go to plug in the new harness, the one plug, white plug, is going to go up in there and plug it in there. You're going to run the wires up above in here, and then you're going to run it down through here. It's hard to see, but get the camera moved over a little. See that little hole right there? That little hole right there, that's where your little push pin goes in, and you bring it down in here and it stays in the harness. There is a clip that'll be on the new and the old harness. That goes on right there. Then you run that down through there. It'll plug into this harness, which we're also having to replace. As you can see, it is all burned up as well. So, replacing that. That goes down through there. Then there's another little connector that you run through here, over through here, and you see that thing back in there? Plugs into that little black box. And then the two big connectors of the harness run down through here behind the glove box, which is right here, and then under here, and it goes down to where the resistor is going to go and to the blower motor. And you can button everything back up and you should get blower actuation. Alright, now I have the harness out of the box. Run these connectors down through here. Alright. Okay, now before anything else, let's go ahead and take this, the little black connector, we'll run it over through here. Alright. Now, at least for me, it's easier to get my hand in there, as you can see, and just wiggle it to make sure the prongs line up. Okay, now you remember that little hole. Take your little black push pin on your new harness, and I'm gonna go to see through. No, I can't see through there. Okay, there we go. We got that in. Now, as I said, you run it up above, and then the push pin goes down on the bottom. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit for you there. Okay. I put the clip to the bottom. There we go. Alright, now, as I said, from the wires, there's a little channel above the box. If you can find it. If not, just make sure it's down in there. The clip for this. See right there on the back of that. Let me take and clip it on there like that. And then that'll go into that. See? Underneath this particular connection will go to your resistor. The big orange and black cables will go over here. See if I can get it. There we go. And as I said, that'll go in the resistor. Alright, when the customer first came in, he complained that there was no blower operation. We've now gone ahead and put the brand new harness in, plugged it into everywhere that it needs to be plugged into. Got the new resistor in. As you can hear. And let's see my wonderful ripped up shirt. As you can see, we now have blower motor actuation on all speeds, and even when I got the plug to work before, you only got actuation on 1, 3, and 4. There you go, behind the glove box. There's your fix.